Can we change our TikTok region? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll discuss if it's possible to change our TikTok region. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is make sure that you have the updated version of your TikTok. After you do that, what you can do is you can head over to your TikTok, then go to your profile on the bottom right. After you do that, tap on the three lines on the top right. Now, simply head over to Settings and Privacy. So previously there was an option inside the privacy setting of your TikTok and you could simply change your location services. So let's head over to privacy and now you'll notice that there is no option such as locations. So what that means is that you cannot change it anymore. Previously region, you could change it whenever you want, but now region is where your device's location services are available. So if you've turned on location services, that's where your region for TikTok is gonna be at. And yeah, that's basically all, guys. Now, all you can do, and you cannot actually change it, is you can simply turn off the location services for TikTok if you want to. And that's basically it, guys. The answer is that you cannot change your location services or your location on TikTok. And that's all for today's video.